Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And my name is Patricia and welcome back to Yah-tah lifestyle. On this channel we try to stay healthy, we eat healthy, we eat healthy, we exercise, and we try to stay healthy and live a healthy and full lifestyle, including traveling and family and stuff like that. But in today's video I am going to make a coconut cream pie. So you may be wondering, what coconut cream pie that is full of sugar and stuff like that? So the reason I'm making a coconut cream pie is that they cut a bunch of coconut, and you know, I'm from Jamaica, I'm from the Highlands, so I really love using coconut because coconut give you some great flavor and some great recipe and taste. They said they wanted a cream pie. It's my first time making cream pie, so I look up one, and I'm gonna make one from scratch. I didn't. So before I get to that, what happened is that the coconut in the recipe that I found, there has the tin coconut, but I made my own coconut milk from scratch. So I didn't put it in the video because it's gonna take up too much time, but let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And with the coconut, I didn't buy the coconut grated fine flakes, coconut flakes, so I did mine from scratch. So that is why it is a little lumpy, because the coconut juice is in it and it is nice and well. So the oven is now ready for it, so I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can get baked, so it can get a little brown. So I'm going to be watching it closely. So it is now 10:34, so by 10:40, that would be 6 minutes, it should be ready. Alright, so now let's get into the meat of the matter of preparing the filling, because I went ahead and I bought a crust. I bought a 10-inch crust, so it is gonna be a 10-inch pie, and I bought this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and make the filling for this crust here. So I'm now whisking it is 4 eggs. All the recipe will be in the description. So we're gonna need 4 eggs. So I have already poured the eggs in here. So it's 4 eggs with the coconut milk, and I'm whisking it. So I have the coconut milk ready, and I'm pouring the whole milk in it. But remember that the whole milk, the coconut milk, is totally different from the one that they use to make pina colada. This one is different. Stirring the coconut occasionally so it doesn't burn too much. Just have to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. 1/4 cup of cornstarch, add to the sugar. You're gonna whisk that together. Whisk this together. 1/4 teaspoon salt, stir it in, and then we're gonna add this to this mixture here. Mix, and you're gonna so in the meantime we're doing this, we're gonna add the sugar mixture into the egg mixture, and we're gonna mix until smooth. In the meantime, I have the coconut milk and on the stove. It's boiling. Gonna make sure this doesn't lump. But if you're mixing it and it get a little lump, don't worry. Don't worry about it. It can be strained, but constantly mixing so it doesn't get no curdleness, or it doesn't lump. Give it a constant mixing. So this the milk, you don't make it boil all the way, you just make it as soon as it starts like a little boiling, then you can take it off, switch it off, take it off. And in this mixture we're gonna add just a little of the milk, just a little. And constantly stirring so the egg doesn't get cooked. I have to add it slowly, add it little by little, and constantly stirring. I use this little one because it is I use this little whisk because it's easy to handle. But let me switch to the bigger one. So our next step is we're gonna pour this back into the in the pot, same container, saucepan. Now we're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to bring it to a boil on low heat, constantly stirring so the cornstarch can get thickened, everything can get thickened. So now it's thickened, and I have to move it from the heat. You can see, as you can see, I have a close-up look right there. So now I'm gonna add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 tablespoons butter, keep stirring. And this is the coconut, toasted coconut. Pour it in there and stir. Have a look. I'm gonna pour it in the pie pie dish. Ooh, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. We're now ready to make the topping for the pie. So we have one cup of heavy whipped cream and half teaspoon vanilla, one tablespoon of confetti sugar, and we're gonna whisk. Apparently I'm gonna use this whisk because if you have the electric mixer, it's best to use it, but I'm gonna use this. It's gonna take a little while, but you can use this if you want to, or you can use the electric one and mix it. See, coming together. It's coming together. So this is about what we're looking for. Yeah, this is about the consistency we are looking for. So now the pie is ready. Look at it. Then we'll just scrape this on top and spread it all over. I'm just trying out some little pattern here with. Alright, I think our pie is ready. Ooh. Now we come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video, and tell a friend to tell another friend to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment box below. Try this recipe and let me know if it is something that you like. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.